Hello friends. Today, we are going to make our own concrete mixture machine. We will learn about the ideal ratio of ingredients for making concrete and test it out with this machine. So let's get started. First, we need to know the ingredients of concrete. The main ingredients of concrete are cement, aggregate, and water. Here, cement acts as a binder that holds the concrete together. Aggregate is the non-metallic hard material, like crushed rock or gravel, that gives concrete its strength. And water is used to hydrate the cement, so it can bind the aggregate together. Sometimes, depending on the application, other ingredients like fly ash or silica fume are also added to improve the properties of concrete. Now we will make a simple concrete mix design. The most common type of concrete is M20 grade concrete. In this grade of concrete, the first 20 represents the 20 megapascals of compressive strength that the concrete should ideally attain after 28 days of curing. The general rule of thumb for making concrete is that for every 1 part of cement, you need 3 parts, of course aggregate, 2 parts of fine aggregate, and 1 part of water. So if you want to make, say, 1 cubic meter of concrete, then you would need 1/4 of a cubic meter of cement, 3/4 of a cubic meter of coarse aggregate, 2/4 of a cubic meter of fine aggregate, and 1/4 of a cubic meter of water. But wait, before we start mixing, there is something else we need to keep in mind. To make good quality concrete, the water to cement ratio should be as low as possible. This is because the lower the water to cement ratio, the lower the porosity of the concrete, and hence it will be stronger. Also, we need to remember that the amount of water in the concrete mix should be sufficient enough to make the concrete workable. Workability refers to the consistency of the concrete mix, how easily it can be placed and finished without the help of any special equipment. Now generally, the water to cement ratio by weight for normal concrete ranges between 0.45 to 0.55. In our case, since we are making 1 cubic meter of concrete, our water to cement ratio will be 0.5. So for 1/4 of a cubic meter of cement, we will need 0.5 multiplied by 1/4, which equals 1/8 of a cubic meter of water. So now we have all our ingredients. Let's start mixing. For mixing the concrete, we will use this mixer. The concrete mixer is a device that combines the ingredients of concrete in the right proportions. There are many types of concrete mixers like the ones that are used in construction sites. But today we will make a simple concrete mixer at home using 2 buckets. So first we will add the cement to one of the buckets. For this project we are making a small quantity of concrete, so we will be using only half of the cement. Then we will add the coarse and fine aggregates to their respective buckets. After this, we will take the water in another bucket and slowly pour it into the cement, while continuously mixing it. Once the cement is fully mixed with water, we will pour the entire concrete mix into the second bucket containing the aggregates. Now we will mix all the ingredients by hand until they are thoroughly combined. After this, we will take some concrete in our hands and try to make it into a ball. If the concrete is too dry, then we will add some water. And if the concrete is too wet, then we will add some more cement. After the concrete is ready, we will make a small cube from it and leave it to dry for 28 days. After 28 days, we will take the cube and put it on the compression testing machine to check its strength. From the testing machine, we will get the load versus the deformation graph of the concrete. Using this graph, we will calculate the compressive strength of our concrete. So stay tuned for the next video where we will test our concrete. Thank you for watching.